we're going to put the 3 fenders and the hood on the VW Beetle bug.
How's it going down there, Chloe?
Good.
Getting them all tight?
Yep, I just finished tightening one.
Awesome. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Fenders on. Hood on. It's got this door left. This thing's pretty, it's a big shallow dent there. This huge shallow dent here. If you guys can see any of that, probably not. It's weight, it's like a swimming pool. One here. This feels okay, and then you get to here, there's another dent. So got to pull all that out. So the door panel is oil canning. So I'm going to try to, I ground it down on the inside. I'm going to try to heat it up with this and maybe it'll stop oil canning. That's the plan anyways. Just going to do it in a few spots here. We'll see. I don't know. Might not do anything. It's hot. Don't touch it. Ow! Burnt my fingertips like an idiot. Cool. Yeah, that was a huge, shallow dippy-do is what I call them. See if there's a couple more on here. Let's see if I can get to them from the backside. I mean, it's still low right here, but it's definitely not oil canning. Right here needs to go out. See if I can get into it or not. I think so. I think I'll grind that down a bit and then do the same thing I just did, kind of heat it up. And I'm kind of applying a little pressure on it. So I'm pushing it back out and feeling, try to get it to line back up right. This is just shrinking the metal. Okay. There's a bunch of sand in here from when the guy sandblasted. Apparently didn't come out all the way. Let's see if I can dump some of it out. A little bit came out. Okay. My neighbor was working in the background. He was taking some dirt off my hill there, and he was going to put it behind his retaining wall he just put up, and then I'm going to have a little bit bigger yard area over there. Eventually I'll be able to maybe drive a car on that side, which will be really nice. Here I'm just sanding it down with 80 grit. I ordered a brand new 60-gallon, 5 horsepower air compressor. Should help me be able to paint a little bit better and sand a lot more stuff. Here it is. He just delivered it. Now I gotta take it out of this pallet. Pile of wood. Well, that broke. I think I'm gonna wait. Maybe I could see if my neighbor can give me a hand. Sweet. I don't know how this thing's wired up. Sorry, there's a truck over there. They're redoing the sidewalks. It's a little loud. My neighbor ended up coming over and we got it off and drug it over to my shed where I ended up installing it and wiring it up. Got it installed. I mounted it to the ground, some anchors, some vibrating pads. I already had 220 out here because there used to be a hot tub here at one time. And so it already had that. So I wired that up. And it's pretty much ready to go. I still need to get an airline or an air hose And then I put it out here just so it'd be quieter and not take up so much room in my garage. So I'll have to run a hose from here over to my door over there, which is no big deal. This is my shed. It's full, all these boxes are full of Volkswagen parts for the Bug. And I had stuff over here and I just had to shove it over here. But got the running boards, the bumpers, wheels, all the seals, the front beams right there, glass, the upholstery, the seats and everything, the original stuff, but I haven't got new upholstery yet. But yeah, it's kind of messy, but once I start reassembling the Bug after I paint it, this will all be cleaned up. But yeah, I'm excited though for the new air compressor. It's gonna get it like a 50-foot hose and run it over. Took me a bit to drill through the concrete, but I finally got it done.